This is not a test. This message is requested by the Texas Police Department. At around 2:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Many reports of a blue creature running around the city, killing and attacking anyone it sees, and breaking into houses. The creature has blue fur, red shoes, big white connected eyes, black eye color, and some people are saying that it's Sonic from Sonic the Hedgehog. But that's not confirmed yet. Lock and close all of your doors and windows. We will come back when there's more information. This message was requested by the United States government. This is not a test. This is not a test. More information has been found about the blue creature from a week ago. It's been found out that this is a version of Sonic from the game Sonic the Hedgehog made by Sega. But this is not the classic Sonic from the 1990s games. This is an evil clone of him that has unknown origin. And we know a few things about him. He's around 2.6 feet tall. He hates everyone. He can only speak Scandinavian. And he has a lighter skin tone and blue fur than the real classic Sonic. And before coming to Earth in his game world, he committed several accounts of homicide. Committed war crimes. And he killed the real classic Sonic. The American classic Sonic. And the European classic Sonic. So far he killed 224,000 people. Don't come outside, stay in your house. Hide anywhere as long as it's safe. And if he breaks in your house, stay as quiet as you can and don't say anything. And when this broadcast ends, turn off your TV, because any reports say he can appear on your TV and jump out and kill you. We will keep you updated on this situation. Goodbye and good luck.
This message was requested by the United States government. This is not a test. This is not a test. Evacuate immediately. Repeat. Evacuate immediately. Santiago and the real Sonic and the military are in a battle in Colorado. The real Sonic the Hedgehog has came to this world with some kind of portal rings. The same ones that Santiago used to get in this world, and to let you know the real Sonic the Hedgehog is on our side, and right now he's trying to defeat Santiago. If you are in any state around Colorado, evacuate immediately. We will keep you updated when there's more information about this event. Goodbye and good luck. This message was requested by the United States government. This is not a test. This is not a test. Evacuate immediately. Repeat. Evacuate immediately. Santiago has destroyed the real Sonic in the military. Repeat. Santiago has destroyed the real Sonic in the military. We are nuking our country. Repeat, we are nuking our country. Santiago is not just a threat to the United States, but all of humanity. He has become too powerful. Evacuate now. Evacuate to Canada. It's not recommended to evacuate to Mexico because Santiago is slowly getting into Mexico. Evacuate. No. This message was requested by the United States government. All clear. Repeat. All clear. Santiago has disappeared. Repeat. Santiago has disappeared. It's unknown how, but he was likely got killed by the nuclear explosion. You can now come out of your bunkers or houses. But stay cautious. You can now go back to your normal life. Now back to your regular scheduled programming.
Driver also died, and now CBC News has learned his passenger is facing charges stemming from the
I am coming for you. You get drugged. You get tired. There is no escape from me. I am God.
This message was requested by the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Santiago is back. Repeat. Santiago is back, and we hate to say this, but he has gotten more powerful than before. Now he can teleport to any place he wants. Has better detection of humans. He can increase his size and strength. He has enough strength to take out an entire wall of metal. And now the worst part. He is cloning himself. There are more than 100 Santiago clones. All of them appear to have the same level of power and strength as Santiago's previous form. Don't go outside, or else you'll die to one of them. Lock and barricade all of your doors and windows and every entrance in your house. And hide in your basement or attic. And stay as quiet as you can. We will keep you updated when there's more information.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All the EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or his designated representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast systems and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the United Nations to participate in this emergency alert system. During this emergency, all stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is Time Warner. We will continue to serve the New Jersey area. If you're not in this local area, you should tune to cable systems providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New Jersey area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Please pay attention to this alert as this is being a nationwide disaster. As of 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Santiago has gone super. Repeat. Santiago has gone super. He went back to his world and collected the 7 Chaos Emeralds from his universe and came back and turned into this super form. This is absolutely chaos. Due to his super is invincible to any weapons from mankind. Also he can destroy any with just a little tap to his finger. All of the clones have also gotten stronger and now there's around 10,000 of them. There is no way to survive this chaotic event. Over 80% of the country is dead. All of you will die in the next 5 hours to 3 days. It's theory that Santiago and the clones will spread to Canada and the rest of the world. Pray to the gods you worship and seek forgiveness for your sins. We will end this message with our national anthem. Goodbye.